Blockchain Foundation Arrangement Supplier Chain's XCN token as of late stood out as truly newsworthy by hitting a record-breaking high in late May 2022, when the remainder of the digital currency area was seeing weighty sell-offs. XCN's new run-up has been on the rear of various advancements on the chain convention that incorporate the send-off of the chain Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO), XCN marking, posting on crypto trades and beta arrival of the chain cloud item. Since Chain rebranded its local token to XCN in March 2022, the crypto has acquired more than half in spite of seeing steep sell-offs in June as cryptos, including Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, imploded. In this video, we investigate the chain protocol and its local token XCN. Peruse on for the most recent chain cost expectation for 2022 and past to help you in your examination. What is Chain? Chain Protocol is a cloud blockchain foundation arrangement organization that gives answers for issue, store and move computerized resources on confidential organizations, meticulously designed for a given market. The organization intends to tackle issues of inheritance monetary frameworks while facilitating intricacies of the blockchain business. As per Chain, the monetary framework experiences numerous disadvantages when resources are moved, including repayment delays, move expenses, absence of straightforwardness, inadequate exchanges, security issues and reversibility of exchanges. Chain said albeit public blockchains tackle a few previously mentioned issues present in heritage monetary frameworks, running hubs for a public blockchain organization can be perplexing, costly and tedious. In this manner, Chain means to give arrangements that permit designers to center around their application and clients, committing less assets to keep up with the hubs running their application. The convention likewise gives finished blockchains to monetary organizations who need to move up to blockchain innovation however, don't have any desire to accept the dangers related with public organizations. Since permissioned blockchains give decentralized exchange records without the protection and security challenges presented by open blockchains, permissioned blockchains will help organizations that need to store information on the blockchain without presenting it to the whole world. This makes a continuous settlement network for a resource, security, stock, or equilibrium-related thing internationally, carefully, and safely, said Chain. Chain Protocol's answers incorporate its free standard RPC API, Remote Procedure Call API, where clients can use different administrations inside the Chain cloud free of charge to foster items on existing public blockchains. Its superior RPC API gives designers admittance to added arrangements and to expand on confidential organizations. As per Chain, the exceptional RPC API offering requires a decent measure of charge to be paid every year in its local token XCN. Grouping is Chain's leader record as an administration item. Succession is a cloud blockchain bookkeeping administration that permits clients to deal with their equilibriums in a tokenized design. Succession accompanies a standard free arrangement, and a superior arrangement can be paid in XCN for a rebate. Chain Protocol likewise gives start-to-finish answers for clients for plan, advancement, consistence, deal and use of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by means of its Sequence NFT item. Chain, the organization behind the convention, was established in 2014 and has drawn in capital, with more than $40 million from any semblance of Citigroup, Visa, Nasdaq and Orange, ORIP. The Chain Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, controls the whole Chain protocol, which is administered by XCN token holders. XCN holders should stake their tokens to partake in the Chain DAO and chain administration. What is the XCN token? XCN is its local token intended to decide on convention improvement plans and local area programs through the Chain DAO. XCN is likewise utilized for hub sending, limits on premium plans, and as an installment technique for charges on Chain Cloud and Sequence. Chain's local token was rebranded to XCN from CHN in March 2022 by means of send-off of its new Chain token Brilliant Agreement on the Ethereum Principal Organization. Holders of the old CHN token were dispersed XCN tokens at a proportion of 1/1000. The stock of XCN is covered at around 53.47 billion units. As indicated by CoinMarketCap, the absolute coursing supply of XCN was over 21.47 billion tokens, starting around 21 June. Chain protocol news in 2022. 18 June Chain reported the send-off of the cross-chain XCN span that will empower clients to move XCN from Ethereum to other upheld blockchains, for example, the BNB chain. 14 June XCN shot more than 33% lower, which the convention expressed was because of a market producer design blunder and API mistake. As per chain, around 500 million XCN in edges were called and sold. 9 June, Chain declared the beta arrival of its Cloud Blockchain Foundation item, Chain Cloud. 3 June, Chain declared that more than 15 billion XCN tokens, addressing around 22% of its complete inventory, were singed. 23 April, Chain reported the send-off of Chain DAO and its marking and administration modules. 8 April, Chain reported Alameda Research as its essential digital money market producer through an essential organization. 7 February, Chain reported the send-off of a local area surveying instrument for token holders to execute administration activities without paying expenses. XCN cost activity, record high in May 2022. Starting around 21 June, XCN was the 206th biggest cryptographic money network with a market capitalization of more than $1.79 billion. Information from CoinMarketCap showed XCN has acquired more than 70% from about $0.048 on 15 March 2022 to more than $0.084, starting around 21 June. The symbolic hit an unequaled high of $0.1841 on 27 May 2022 on back of improvements, for example, the send-off of its DAO depository, presentation of marking prizes and posting on different cryptographic money trades, including KuCoin and Gate.io. Since hitting an unequaled high, XCN has been on a descending direction because of expansive auctions seen across digital forms of money in June. The token is at present 54% away from its untouched high, starting around 21 June. A large portion of the misfortune in XCN esteem has come over the most recent 7 days, with the token eradicating around 40% of its worth in the period. On 14 June, XCN shot more than 33% lower from an open cost of $0.1332 to close at $0.08805.